Two missed EAS alerts, severe thunderstorm warning, and two severe thunderstorm warnings actually, and a tornado watch. Well, see you at the next alert. Also, there's hooks on every storm, literally. Also, see you at the next alert. Bye. Thunderstorm warning.
Northern Marion County, southeastern Saline County until 5:45 p.m. At 4:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Galva, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. You can expect 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Dang.
The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include McPherson, Hillsboro, Galva, Canton, Gypsum, Lincolnville, Ramona, Lehigh, Tampa, Durham, Lost Springs, Roxbury, Marion Lake, and Pilsen. This includes Interstate 135 between mile markers 53 and 63.
Well, see you at the next alert. Bye. Severe thunderstorm warning. Sorry I missed it again. I was out of town.
You gotta take shelter out here. This is a dangerous storm. We've got places like Newbury, Alma, McFarland, and Mexico, and Allendorf. All
that's northern.
Back here. The west of Alma, it's going right towards the town. So everybody out there.
Notice for golf balls, I sound 60-mile-an-hour winds. See you at the next alert. Bye. Severe thunderstorm warning. Probably destructive.
We got the whole thing.
3-inch hail.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Harvey County, Chase County, northwestern Butler County, southern Marion County, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:17 p.m., severe thunderstorms extended from 11 miles northeast of Fort
Positivity there. Scary like this for these storms.
You can expect small-size hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts.
Rain coming is live right now, chasing down this major rainbow. In summer
following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Impacts wind damage to roofs.
Rotation is still there. Tornado still.
I'm back.
Impacted include Newton, Halstead, Marion, North America.
What it says?
Peabody, Cottonwood Falls, Whitewater.
That's coming right at me.
Up into Wellington.
That right there.
You can see we were getting a little bit more
Elmdale, Matfield Green,
that's a sign that this is about to get more serious.
Well, I'm cooked.
Highway.
We're gonna get it.
135 between mile markers 23 and 37. Interstate 35 near mile marker 110, in between mile markers 113 and 116.
Doubleheader? Oh yeah, doubleheader. Doubleheader! What is it for? It said destructive.
A lot of you guys are in this. I'm gonna ring the bell here. You
that
just heard
for?
that through your weatherwise app.
Baseballs. Shit.
Severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cowley County, southeastern Sedgwick County,
We're in that.
southwestern Butler County, northeastern Sumner County until 7:15 p.m. At 6:18 p.m., a
Tornado
severe
warning.
thunderstorm was located near Wellington, moving
I'm
northeast
sorry.
at
Severe
50
thunderstorm
miles
warning.
per hour. This is a destructive storm for Belle Plaine and Udall.
Oh
You
shit.
can expect baseball,
Oh,
hail,
shit.
and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts.
I'm sorry
The
for
warning
cursing.
was based on radar.
I'm sorry for cursing.
The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be severely injured.
Bro, the max
Expect
is
shattered
the max is 3 minutes. I don't want to go over that.
damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles.
Oh
Locations
no.
impacted include Derby, Mulvane, Rose Hill, Belle Plaine, Oxford, Udall, Rock.
Alright, I'm gonna stop it soon because yeah, it's about to go over the
This
limit.
includes Interstate 35 between mile
I'm in it.
25 and to 35.
To your north for Villisca for 40 more minutes as well. So all this
See you at the
is
next
first
alert.
point.
Bye. Forgot I wasn't even recording.
Winds at 25 miles per hour.
And,
You can expect tornado and hail up to 2 inches in diameter.
Dang.
The warning was based on radar indications. The
Actually
following
close.
impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Oh yeah, the storm just southwest of me is also trying to wrap up. Tornado. So I expect another tornado here soon.
Include Matfield Green, Cedar Point, and one Favu. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Well, if the literal earth starts rising hundreds of feet into the air, well, that's another good sign, too.
See you in the next alert. Bye. Tornado in Oklahoma. Coming up at me.
Coming back over here to radar real quick. We'll keep.
It's kind of getting close to me.
Sidebar there.
The National Weather Service.
What's going on the radar for everybody that's watching?
No, it's a different town or something.
Until 7:30 p.m.
Sorry, my parents are
At 6:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Renfrew, or 8 miles south of Caldwell, moving east
First in a
at 20
tornado.
miles per hour. You can expect tennis ball-sized hail and 60 mile per hour wind gusts.
Biggest severe
The
weather
warning was
ever.
based on radar
Probably.
indications. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured.
Oh. Funnel.
Holy crap.
Windows and vehicles. Expect wind
rotating
damage
like
to
crazy.
roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include South Haven, Dust Springs, and Honeywell.
Get
This includes
the hell out of there, Freddy. See you in the next alert. Probably going to be a tornado warning for this. Anyways, bye. Tornado warning. Is that us?
the National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for southeastern
We're under a tornado warning.
southwestern Chase County.
Oh, never mind. That's the northern storm.
Southeastern Marion County until 7:30 p.m. At 6:45 p.m.
Never mind.
Tornado producing storms extended from 7 miles northeast of Burns to 5 miles east of Newton, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. You can expect tornado and golf ball sized hail. The tornado was confirmed by emergency management.
Oh shoot. We're either gonna get hit by a line or a tornado.
Damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. These tornadic storms will be near Whitewater, Albing, and Burns around 6:50
Where is
p.m.
that?
Putnam around 7:10
That's a big tornado. Big tornado in Oklahoma.
One Favu, Newton Airport,
Too close.
and Cassadee. This includes the following highways: Interstate 135 between mile markers 23 and 32. Interstate 35 between mile markers 91 and 99. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground.
Tornado on the ground, Butler County.
Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of
The
a
northern
building.
part, over by.
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Jesus.
Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding.
Oh! Oh my God!
Here, near the town of Brayman, Oklahoma. We've got a classic supercell producing a
Severe
monstrous
thunderstorm
tornado.
warning remains in effect.
Just the beginning stages of it.
Alright, see you in the next alert. Bye.
Blackwell, once again.
Yeah, those are morning.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Harvey County, Chase County, northern Butler County, southeastern Marion County, northwestern Greenwood County, and southeastern Kansas until 8:15 p.m. At 7:13,
Yeah, tornado. Luckily, it's not heading here.
9 miles southeast of Cottonwood
We kinda
Falls
dodged
to
the
5
bullet.
miles east of Burns to 5 miles west of Whitewater.
Again.
Moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. You can expect to inch hail and 60 mile per hour wind gusts.
Start to watch for
The
hail.
warning was based on radar indications.
We're both gonna get hit by a line. Look at it. Let's go inside. Go. Easy. That's the storm. It's humid still. There's the storm I'm talking about. I don't even think I could see that Oklahoma storm, but
in here. Literally right there. That's literally what we
Interstate 135 between mile markers 23 and 28. Interstate 35 between mile markers 78 and 115.
It's right behind that windmill. See? Oh, it's a big old wedge now.
The National Weather Service has issued tornadoes.
See you later. Bye. Warning. Tornado warning.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Sedgwick County, southeastern Harvey County, southern Chase County, northern Butler County, southeastern Marion County, northern Greenwood County, and southeastern Kansas until 8:15 p.m. At 7:20 p.m., tornado-producing storms extended from 14 miles south of Cottonwood Falls to near Putwin to Valley Center, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. You can expect brief tornadoes and golf ball-size hail. Source: there have been several brief landspout tornadoes reported along this line of storms.
Several brief
The
landspout
following impacts are
tornadoes.
expected. Expect damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Wichita, El Dorado,
Wichita's
Andover,
in it.
Park City, Valley Center, Bel Air, Mays, Towanda, Colwich, Benton, Whitewater, Madison, Keach-I, Andale, Putwin, Albing, Burns, Northeast Wichita, Cassidy, and Bazaar.
Well,
This includes the following highways: Interstate 135 between mile markers 11 and
this is
24.
actually scary. Hold on.
Interstate 35 between mile markers 67 and 116.
6, 7.
To
Okay, I'm
repeat,
sorry.
a tornado is on the ground.
Shit.
Take cover now.
Yo, it's actually getting
Move to a
close.
basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Well, see you in the next alert. Bye. See you in the next
Severe
warning.
thunderstorm warning for southeastern Sedgwick County, southeastern Chase County, Butler County, northern Greenwood County, and southeastern Kansas until 9:15 p.m. At 8:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms extended from 5 miles southwest of John Redmond Reservoir to 17 miles east of Burns to near East Wichita, moving east at 35 miles per hour. You can expect 60 mile per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wichita, Derby, El Dorado, Andover, Hayesville, Augusta, Bel Air, Mulvane, Rose Hill, Eureka, Clearwater, Douglas, Towanda, Benton, Leon, Madison, downtown Wichita, Keach-I, Eastboro, and Putwin. This includes the following highways: Interstate 135 between mile markers 0 and 10. Interstate 35 between mile markers 34 and 109, and near mile marker 111.
Dang. Well, see you in the next alert. Bye.